Today? Get her, folks. Get her, Boca. Get her. Get her, baby girl. Get her, Boca. Get her, Boca. Get her, Get her, Boca. Get her, Boca. Get her, Boca, 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 Boca. No, you do not. You do the pokies. You do pokes. I'm a pokey. Oh, oh, mamas.
Expose what his weaknesses in the judge is exposed your strength, Mitchell, in the sandbar. You are for me the Chris Rock, so you think you can dance. You bring a really great energy to this whole program, and you've now brought a really great style to this program, so I congratulate yourself. Okay. The articulation of your body is fantastic. I don't know if you know what I mean by articulation, but in English you'd say the rain in Spain, and everything is perfect. Where you put your body leaves us no doubt that it's going in the right places. Terrific.
To vote for Caitlin and Mitchell, dial 1-888-1002. That's 1-888-836-7602. And you can text the number 2 to 83676 from your cell phone. You can also vote online at fox.com/dance. Put your hands together for Caitlin and Mitchell. Thank you so much. And she's all healed this week. She's like a little Wolverine. Her nose is better. We've still got 7 more action-packed members to go, including the second group routine of the evening.